thought that. You're right. You're right. You sure? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Hi, I probably... Ambulance, please.
Yeah, I know. I got it on camera. The details.
Do you want me to call the ambulance? I'm calling the ambulance. Yeah, do you want to be checked?
Do you want to get out?
Just wangle it to be anyone you want.
Probably with Amazon, I don't know, they are probably a massive share, but if they were able to argue, oh, we're not 33% of all online sellers, they'll probably be able to go, but you're more than that in book sales,
Well, yeah, exactly.
You're more than that in shoe sales or some random thing.
They can narrow or expand the categories to be convenient to themselves. So this isn't even a hard thing. But anyway, non-compliance with investigations can result in a fine of 1% of global revenues on companies, which is around 20 grand or something per day for non-compliance for individuals. Right, so 1% of, if you're a company, it's 1% of your global revenue, but if you're an individual, £15,000 a day for non-compliance. So you basically have to either do this or pull out. Right? They're not going to allow you to continue. And so Elon Musk basically...
Video protected.
Attention. This is how I found out.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Let's just be honest, Mom. If you have 2 to 3 zappers. What road is this to?
I stopped at that 4-way stop, didn't I?
Yeah. What the fuck?
Two, neither of which is active on its own, which only work when they're combined together. How?
Oh, car accident!
he's doing.
Fuck out, kid.
What are you doing?
Don't fucking do that ever again, you dumb fuck. You're a fucking piece of shit.
Dude, what the hell?
What happened?
He just threw trash in my fucking truck.
Oh, what'd you? What happened?
He just cut me off.
You have reached 911. If you need help, press any key now or say help at the tone.
Help.
Please hold while I transfer your call.
Christ. It's like last time. Well, we got 100 gallons of fuel out here, leaking in the ditch. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable. What the hell happened now? God almighty. Oh man. How you doing?
Yeah. You just keep breathing on. Just take your time. The ambulance is going to be coming here before too long. They're going to check you out. There's going to be a lot of noise going on here.
Oh Jesus. She looks okay. She's alive. Do you see what happened?
I did not.
You
I
just pulled
literally just pulled up as like all the it was just scattered. I stopped. I can't keep you stop. Do I need to move?
I'd probably back up a little bit, buddy. Unbelievable. Oh my God. Look at these pieces all over the road. Yeah, well, let me get a broom. I got 2 or 3 of them. I bet that was a hell of a noise, huh? I see it. Yeah, he's got full 100 gallons of diesel on both sides. Jesus Christ. Oh, man. Unbelievable. Hey,
Yeah, trailer's over at the other warehouse.
God, I don't have my truck. I can't believe this. This is insane, guys. This is like the 8th time now on the State and Style Road here. This is the worst one yet. This is too much. We were just talking about how fast people come around the corners.